జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అప్యేకం ఏకం పురుషం ప్రమదాః సప్త చ అష్ట చ. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ఆర్మీ మ్యాన్ దేర్ కమ్స్ 7 to 8 divine angels. They are all giving them bath. They are all doing so many services. They are all taking care of every army man. They are all giving so many drinks to every army man. Every army man is encircled with 7 to 8 great angels, divine angels. Then Bharadwaja Maharshi also called on so many people who can take care of all the vehicles, all the animals of that army. So many people came down and started taking care of horses, elephants, donkeys and bullocks. So many people are taking care of those animals by giving whatever the food is needed for those animals, for those vehicles. Like this, out of yogic power of Bharadwaja Maharshi, such a wonderful arrangements, unimaginable arrangements of the feast is going on, still continuing. Bharata's Sainyam army is enjoying the feast which is being given by Bharadwaja Maharshi. All the people, entire Sainyam is having so many drinks over there, and they are unable to identify any other things around them. They are unable to recognize horses. They are unable to recognize elephants. They are in their own world and enjoying that feast, and also saying that Naivayodhyam Gamishyami Na Gamishyami Dandakan. We do not want to go anywhere from here. We would like to stay back here only. We are very happy here. We don't want to go back to Ayodhya. We don't want to go to Dandaka. Ho Bharata, may you be safe. Ho Rama, Ramasyastu tadha sukam. Ho Rama, may you be safe and happy. Like that, all the army people are enjoying that feast as if they are in a heaven. Nrutyanti sma, hasanti sma, gayanti sma cha sainikaah. Some people are dancing, some people are laughing, some people are running here and there. They are eating everything there. They are having so many things. Even then, some of the dishes like bhakshyas and all those dishes, how much ever they eat, they are still craving to eat. Bhakshya Stan Abhavat Bhakshane Matihi. They are not able to satisfy themselves by eating only, but they just wanted to keep on eating and eating. Not only the army people, but also the animals like elephants, donkeys, cows, horses and birds, every animal also eating and enjoying only which was created by Bharadwaja Maharshi. Other than this, animals also not touching anything. Like that, everyone is enjoying, and there are so much of food, and all the food items are arranged in such a wonderful way. The army people are surprising to see the arrangements. Every person in that army is now having very good clothes. Every person in that army is not at all hungry. Every person in that army is having all kind of decorations. Everybody is glittering like anything. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama. हे हे सीतारामा हे हे सीतारामा। Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.